Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be ranking all Smash Bros characters from worst to the worst characters and the best characters. Let's get on with the video. Mario, a solid B tier, since he's pretty much. Oh no, okay. Donkey Kong, because skill players B tier. Link will probably go in B tier too. Samus A tier because of her spam thing. Dark Samus. Pretty much the same as Samus, so we don't have to say anything. Yoshi. Yoshi C tier. Kirby is one of the S tiers for a reason. You will see my tier list it's a bit more more realized, and I actually don't freaking put characters in bad spots. I say Mario would be below and there. So Fox. Bro is A tier, top of A tier. He's probably like the best spammer, but can't kill. Pikachu B. Luigi B. Ness. For his aiming and stuff like that, he's C. Captain Falcon. Obviously top of A tier. Okay. Jigglypuff, I wouldn't say anything bad about her. She only got to A tier because of one reason. Her sleep ability. Don't ask. Princess Peach and Daisy are just the exact same, so we're putting them there. Bowser on A tier. Ice Climbers is B. Yeah, Sheik not that great. Zelda's just an A tier. Putting this in Mario. Dr. Mario. I don't know who made this guy. Bro has a terrible moveset in recovery. Pikachu. D tier. Bottom of D tier. No one wants to see him. This guy is just the exact same as Fox. The only difference is that he's going to yeah, I will have to say Captain Falcon cooks on most of the characters. Toon Link is just a copy of Link. Just what or no, this is not Toon Link, that's Young Link. Why Genic gets the top of the S tier? Don't make me tell you why. Mewtwo. B. Chrome, I don't freaking know. Oh, Game & Watch? S. Meta Knight? B. Pit and Dark Pit are there. A. Wario is D. Snake. Because people like him, I'm putting him above Jigglypuff. I'm gonna put Samus above Samus. Okay. This guy, Ike, I don't know who he is. This guy's just his own kind of character, but he's kind of just a web character. Squirtle. If it wasn't for Squirtle, he would be D. If it wasn't for Charizard, he would be D tier. Pretty much. Like all Pokemons, he's probably putting up there to A tier. Putting him at the bottom of A tier. Ivysaur also gets a D, and Charizard gets a B. Diddy Kong. Bro's weaker than Donkey Kong and freaking has banana cannons. I don't really care. Bro is just a copy of Ness. I don't know who this is, but I don't care. Sonic and Ness. He goes above Game & Watch, but he doesn't go above Kirby. DDD. Actually a solid A tier. To be honest. Olimar. I'm sorry, but you're C. Lucario. Reason why he's better, he's actually got some nerves on him, and I'm putting him actually right above. Phew. Yeah, I'm putting him right above there. And DDD goes because he's similar to Kirby. He's going in A, but it's not very great. Him. Rob goes at the bottom of A. At least he's able to stand in A. This guy goes in the same spot. I still think these guys deserve to be at the top. Actually, I believe they should be at the top. Dark Pit and Pit are the top. This guy's gonna be in the bottom. This guy is going to go above. Just moving some. Diddy Kong goes there. Roy goes above. And the princess characters is all based on luck. This guy's just another copy. Freaking stop copying. Okay, finally a new character. Goes top. Goes like above them. We Fit. To be honest, she takes the bottom of the. And we're just putting Ivysaur like. We're just gonna put everyone who's on the bottom of. It's still who is better. Dr. Mario is at least better than Peter. But he is better than. I don't like. Mega Man. Actually, wait. People are gonna be mad. I put him in C. Actually, I do like Mega Man, so I put him in B. I watched his show, and then her. I guess. Bro, Little Mac is already in D. No explaining why he's in D tier, but he is. Like, just better than Squirtle, so. Yeah, I think anyone's better than Squirtle. Except for Pikachu. He sucks so bad. A tier. Bottom of A, actually, I should be at the bottom of A tier because he freaking doesn't. This guy should be like. Mii Brawler, just because of the Mias. I have to put them in a solid, like, A. They're above. Mii Brawler goes right about here. Mii Sword Fighter goes right here. Mii Gunner. Frickin' Dan's down the best character. Palutena being a homing character makes her have an advantage, so she'll go there. This guy was made for D tier. I don't know. But he will be C tier because I don't care. Isabelle. Does anyone care? Where did I put Villager? Oh, she'll just be below Villager. Robin actually having a move set should go above Savage. Okay, this guy actually the first actual S tier in a while. Bowser Jr. Be honest, wouldn't like being Bowser Jr. and having great abilities. Put them there. Oh, Charizard also needs to be above Meta Knight and a few other characters, especially the Fire Emblem. Fire Emblem's not that great. Oh no. Oh no. I'm pretty much cooked, guys. I forgot how the controls work. Damn. Okay, great. Damn, I broke them again. Stop breaking the controls! Stop. Stop breaking the control. Okay. I'm not basing them off the render. Just 12 Lucario because they're DLC. Duck Hunt is C. Just give me the C. Finally, we have another 8. Not A. Is in top A's. Guys, pretty similar. Loud is on the big top of A. Bro, right next to me, Gunner. Who literally has better moves. Can change your. Now, who wants to play as that character? Mid. I don't know what's so broken about her. The combos are not. Inkling. Bro, she's only on here because she does barely any damage. Bro, what is the point of Inkling? Okay. Ridley makes sense for being in it. S. He's a champ. This guy for being an A, for being honest, A tier is the best for him. And we're putting him right below. Actually, Mii Brawler should be above them. Because at least he has a better moveset. King K. Rool and S. Oh, one of the people plays that I know plays King K. Rool in Smash. Pretty good. Cinerar. Rose bottom of B for a reason. Piranha Plant. I just like the meme. It's just a funny bottom A. Joker, for his moveset, he is kind of flawed. And yeah, we're putting him there. Hero, on the other hand, pretty much can go where no other can. And right above Cloud. Bro, our top 5 in A. We have the top 5 A's. Oh wait, that's about to be, because Banjo and Kazooie are right here. Terry, Violet, A. I know many people are gonna hate me in the chat. Actually, wait. Where do I put this character? I can't even figure. Okay, just be above Richter and Simon. And Min Min goes above there. Leave another S tier character. Only this time below Game & Watch. He's below Game & Watch. Sephiroth, another S tier character, who is below Game & Watch. Alone, Pyra and Mithra are literally not very good. Pyra's B. Sora's like, and then Kazuya. Kazuya takes a sip, takes the instant S right above there, and then Sora's just a better version of Sonic. Yeah, that's my tier list. I hope you enjoyed the tier list. If you want to see more tier lists, I'll do ranking videos like these if you want to see more of these. I only ranked them because I felt like it. What if there was an E rank? Yeah, chat. It probably would. If there's an E rank. I'm thinking about if I had chat and people were saying if there. Yeah, guys, I think you guys would probably like to see an E rank, but anyways, I don't care that much. At least Little Mac does damage. Most of the other characters who are bottom tier are just not good. And some of the bottom tiers are I just don't know how to play, or I just really play. I don't really play as them. Also, fun fact: I don't have Pyra or Mithra. I don't have Pyra and Mithra. I don't have Sephiroth. I don't have Terry. I have Steve. I have Kazuya, and I have Sora. But other than those guys, I feel I don't have Violet. I don't have Piranha Plant. Okay, Banjo Kazooie I don't have. I don't have Hero. Yeah, Mii Gunners are pretty good. I think I'll do recording on my Switch sometime. So if you want to see a recording from my Switch, make sure to drop that subscribe button and also hit that like button. And I'll see you all later in the next video, which is probably gonna be another how to make tutorial. See you guys next time.